We are here at Line. What's up this called?
It's a big day. We're in Maryland, and we are at a fossil hunting site that I have always wanted to go to. I don't know if I'm going to say the name of it, because if we strike gold here, we don't want everybody to know about it. So
we just learned how to pronounce it.
That's okay. That's okay.
We won't tell
we won't tell you yet. We'll see how it goes. So, as always, it'll be a good day if we find even one little fossil. Obviously, I have in mind what I want to find. Shark teeth are top of list. But there are also a lot of cool ray plates, vertebrae, a lot of things we can find. So,
bones, jaw bones and stuff. Skulls.
Amazing. So the water is right down there. We're going to go check in at the office, get suited up, and go see what we can find. We're all suited up. How are you feeling, Evan?
Feeling great. Let's find some fossils.
What do you want to talk about? Go ahead, action.
Action. We are here at Line. What's up this called? Oh no, we're not supposed to say the name of it. We can say the name of it. We haven't really found anything. It's part of the Calvert Cliffs area. It's like north of here, and it's really nice. We got the waders on. We're wading through the little tide pools. Not really tide pools.
Through the shoreline, though.
Through the shoreline. We're going out to sandbars, which are very fun.
That was cool.
We're digging through the little sand and mud, rooting around, trying to find some fossils. We found a good couple.
Evan found some good teeth. I found a couple of ray plates.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm surprised there's not more stuff here. I just suspect it's pretty picked, because this is like the most famous cliff formation to hunt in here. It's pretty rare. But yeah, seeing like the wall of the cliff face behind us is really cool. You can see like all the layers of fossils and our ancient shells. So it's neat being out here.
Very fun. It's like splashing around, playing in the sand.
And we've still got like 24 more hours left here. So I think we can find some good stuff between now and when we leave.
Oh yeah. Look what Joie found.
Found some sort of little tooth. We don't know if it's a shark tooth fragment or an alligator tooth.
I think it's an alligator tooth. Look at it.
We're also at a new spot now. Can you tell them about it?
Yeah, we're at this other spot.
Flag Pond Park?
Flag Pond Park. It's a little beach. There's a lot of screaming children and barking dogs, but there's also some fossils here, so we're gonna try to find them. We took a quick break from our fossil hunting day to eat some dinner, but now we're back at it. We're back at our original spot, which is also where we're sleeping tonight because it's a campsite, and we're gonna do a little night fossil hunting. The tides have changed, so some new stuff should be washed up, rinsed off. We're gonna see how we do. I'm overly optimistic, Evan pointed out, but how are you feeling? What are you thinking? I mean, we found a couple during the day when we can see everything. So now we're going at nighttime when we could only see what's in front of our little headlamp. So I don't know, maybe it'll be great because new things are washed around. There's no people there picking them, and maybe the light will reflect off the shiny fossils better. I don't know, maybe it's just gonna be dark, we can't see anything. But we're gonna go because we have 24-hour access. We're gonna use the 24-hour access to the beach and maybe find a couple fossils.
Good morning. We are getting all fueled up for our second day in Maryland. Evan took an interesting approach to his gobbler breakfast this morning. You can tell us what all you got in here?
Yeah, so this time I got the gobbler bowl. I'm trying to simulate the day after Thanksgiving leftovers. You put them all together on a plate and eat them. So it's pretty good. I got cucumbers on there too. I'm not sure why. It was an option, so I clicked it. I think I also clicked spinach on here, but they didn't put spinach on because that's just ridiculous.
We just got to Perth State Park. We've got our waders ready to go, and we're walking down a little short trail to get to the water. So I have not been here in 7 years, but these were my old stomping ground for fossils. So I'll post a picture of the stuff I found here previously, and hopefully we are like a fraction of this successful.
because I want Evan to find some good teeth. I did think that our fatal flaw in the past 2 places we were looking was that we were using these sifters, but most of the teeth that were at that place were smaller than the holes in these sifters. Yeah. But here, the teeth are, I don't know, like half an inch to an inch and a half. So I think these sifters will be good. So, do you have any expectations for today?
I'm just happy to splash around the water and hang out.
All right, we've walked about 10 feet, and look at this.
Look at this. It's a little goblin shark tooth. Let's go. Oh.
We're finding tons of small teeth, but this is the biggest tooth. Evan, wait, show him the ones we found so far about. Okay. Yeah, I just found this. This is the biggest tooth I've ever found, and it's thick, and it has cusps.
Look at it.
Look.
It's a unit.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that thing.
This is the biggest tooth I've ever found.
So many shark teeth. They're everywhere.
All different sizes, different species. Your favorite's a goblin shark?
The goblin sharks are really cool. The long skinny ones. There's a lot of those here.
We're back in the van. We just got out of our waders, and we wanted to show you our best finds of the day. Kick us off.
I'll go first. First, found this really cool stingray plate. It's all, you can see all the little teeth on there, which is very cool. See it like that better? Maybe, I don't know. I don't know how it's turning out. And then this big, what was it? A
sand tiger.
Sand tiger tooth shark. Sand tiger extinct. Cretaceous period.
Mm-hmm. One of my finds, I don't think I've found one of these before, maybe once before. This is a crocodile tooth from some sort of extinct crocodile. I really like this one, but this was my best find. I kind of showed it on the beach. I can't believe how the size of this tooth here. I'll put it right there. Okay, this is, look at it. This is from,
So big.
I know. Okay, this is from a giant mackerel type shark, and it's an ancestor to the megalodon. A megalodon tooth is what I've been after. Doesn't have to be a big 7-inch tooth. I would be happy with like a little 3 or 4-inch megalodon tooth, but this is a good start. This means we're on the right track. We are on our way to my friend Elise's house. She's gonna make dinner for us, and we're gonna stay there for a couple nights. And I'm not really sure if this is our last day in Maryland. We might have one more for you, but if not, thanks, Maryland. Good morning. Welcome to Maryland day 3. This is our last day in Maryland. We had a little bit of an intermission and did a little sidebar trip. Maybe I'll post a picture if the pictures are available. But that's when my eyes look like this because I had to have my makeup done. Anyway, we're back in Maryland for our last day here. We've been on this big fossil hunting road trip, and in Maryland there's a super famous spot, and it's actually pretty famous across the whole US, Calvert Cliffs State Park. We've been searching for teeth in other parts of the Calvert Cliffs, but we have not been to the state park specifically. So that's where we are going today. I want us to enter today. You can do whatever you want, but I'm going to enter today, not focusing on finding the biggest shark tooth. I'm going to focus on finding a unique fossil we have not found before.
Oh!
That's my goal today.
That sounds fun.
Mm-hmm.
I want to find a big shark tooth.
Okay, well, obviously I do too. But nope, my goal is to find a unique fossil and just to appreciate it being there, because I feel like I'm focusing too much on finding the specific shark tooth I want, and maybe I'm not enjoying the experience as much as I should, even though it's been very fun. Also, we are at Wawa yet again. They didn't have a gobbler today. I don't know why this one, they must have been out.
Yeah.
So what'd you get?
I don't know why at 9 a.m. they didn't have the full gobbler recipe ready, so I had to get Italian hoagie at 9 a.m., which I guess is fine too. But and maybe I didn't need my 7th gobbler of the week, so maybe an Italian hoagie will be better for me.
Probably. I got my little cup of eggs. Wawa eggs. These are great. You should try them. I got this and a hash brown, and we're gonna go into Calvert Cliffs.
found this cool fossil. I think it's a fossil. It looks like some sort of vertebrae. It's all like symmetrical and got this little circle in there. The edges look a little bony. It's a big heavy rock. Like this must have been a big old fish or shark or dolphin or something.
We're back in the van after our big time at Calvert Cliffs. So we spent most of the day out there. The sun is kind of already starting to set. We had to time the tides just right, and we had a really great time. It was a total of 4 miles of hiking, and so we're both pretty beat. But we had some good treasures, so I will show those here. Evan had the catch of the day. He had a pretty good sized tooth that was split right in half, so that was really neat. Maryland is one of the few places in the US where you can find exposed fossils, and they're pretty easy to hunt. So if you're ever looking, I highly recommend all of these sites in Maryland. So back in the van, I've got the air fryer going. We're making veggie chicken nuggets, of course, and we're gonna call it a night.